In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a top bar on a WordPress website. A top bar can be a fantastic addition to your site, providing an easy way for users to access key information, links, or notices at the very top of your web page. Whether you're looking to highlight a special announcement, a discount, or simply improve navigation, a top bar can enhance user experience without interrupting the flow of your website. Firstly, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where you'll be making all the necessary changes to your website's layout and design. Once you're in, look to your left and find the Plugins option in the menu. Click on it, and then select Add New. From here, you're going to search for a plugin that will help us create the top bar. A popular choice is the WP Front Notification Bar plugin. In the search field, type WP Front Notification Bar and hit Enter. It should be one of the first options that pop up. Go ahead and click on Install Now next to the plugin. Once it's installed, you'll see a button that says Activate. Make sure to click on that as well, so the plugin is ready to go. Now, with the plugin activated, let's set up your top bar. Head back to your WordPress admin menu and scroll down till you find the WP Front option that has now been added to your sidebar. Click on it and select Notification Bar to start customizing your top bar. On this page, you'll see a whole bunch of settings that you can tweak to get your bar just the way you want it. There's the option to enable or disable the bar, which is basically an on and off switch for when you want to show it on your site. You'll also see fields where you can type the text you want to display. This could be anything from free shipping on orders over 50 to a simple welcome to our website. Remember, the message should be short and visible since the top bar is narrow. Next, you can choose the alignment of your text, whether you want it centered, left aligned, or right aligned. There's also an option to add a button if you want to include a call to action. This might link to a sales page, an event, or whatever else is relevant to your announcement. You simply input the URL you want the button to direct to. Don't forget to customize the appearance of your top bar. Adjust the background color and text color to make sure it aligns with your website's theme and stands out to visitors. Finally, once everything looks good and you've reviewed your changes, scroll to the bottom and hit Save Changes. Head over to your live website to check out your new top bar in action. If there's anything you want to adjust, simply return to the WP Front settings and tweak as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully added a top bar to your WordPress website. This little addition can make a big impact, keeping your audience informed and engaged with ease. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.